Introduction to Automating Notion with JavaScript.
Notion is a popular tool for organizing notes, tasks, and databases. Did you know you can use JavaScript to automate updates and fetch data from Notion databases? In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll cover the basics of how to connect your JavaScript code to Notion, update entries, and retrieve information, making your workflows faster and more efficient.
Understanding the Notion API.
To automate Notion with JavaScript, you need to use the Notion API. This is a set of tools that allows your code to interact with your Notion workspaces. By obtaining an integration token from Notion and sharing your databases with this integration, you enable your scripts to read and change data securely.
Setting up your JavaScript environment.
You'll need Node.js installed on your computer to run JavaScript scripts, plus a package called @NotionHQ Client, which helps you work with the Notion API. Install it using the command npm install @NotionHQ Client. Don't forget to keep your Notion integration token secret to protect your data.
Retrieving data from Notion.
JavaScript can fetch rows from your Notion database in just a few lines of code. Use the Notion client's databases.query method, passing in your database ID. Your script can display titles, dates, or tasks, making it easy to automate tasks like generating reports or exporting lists.
Automating database updates.
You can also use JavaScript to update entries in your Notion database. With the pages.update method, your script can mark tasks as complete, update deadlines, or add new information. Automating these updates saves time and ensures your database stays accurate without manual editing.
Practical automation ideas.
After mastering these basics, try building practical automations. For example, automatically copy tasks from an email into Notion, update project statuses based on calendar events, or summarize notes daily. With JavaScript and the Notion API, you can customize Notion to fit your workflow perfectly.
Getting started on your automation journey.
Automating Notion with JavaScript opens up countless possibilities to improve productivity. Start with small scripts to read and update your database, and experiment as you learn. The official Notion API documentation provides code examples and guides for every step. Happy automating!